Hi, I hope you are doing good. This is Priyadarshini Balasubramani. In this lecture, I will teach you how to upload a sprite and how to create clone of the sprite, as well as we are going to work on paint to edit backdrop. So let's get started. I don't want this cat, so that I'm going to click on this trash icon to delete the cat. See, it has disappeared. So yes, as I said, I'm just going to create. I'm going to upload a sprite. Yeah. So see, when you put your mouse pointer over on that cat icon, so it show you the four option. The top option is upload sprite. So using this option, you can upload a sprite. I just click on that. So see, a window will open to choose a sprite from our system. I select that particular image and then click on open. So it will import it. So it's showing it's importing. So let's wait for some time. So as it's a GIF file, it's take some time to import, and also it has few costumes. Like it has 6 costumes. See, so of course we can animate it. Yes, so yes, I just want to reduce the size of this sprite. I select the size and give the value 50, and also we can make it smaller. Yeah, like 35 would be better. Okay, yeah. Then I want a backdrop. So I'm just going to click this image icon to select a backdrop from library. So see here, as I have a sprite butterfly, I should need a backdrop like this blue sky. So let's pick this. And yeah, let's edit. Yeah, I select this backdrop. I just want to make something like heels. Yeah, so I'm just going to edit this backdrop. So see here in this paint we have few tools to edit our backdrop. So when you select the sprite, the same paint is there. So this particular sprite is in the bitmap, so that you can convert it to vector to edit this sprite particularly. Yeah, so I am just going to edit the backdrop. So see here, this is select tool and this one is reshape. So select tool is used to select the particular shape, and reshape you can select and reshape the shape. Like when you click this, see uh, there are blue dots. You can just drag to reshape the shape like this. Yes. Okay. I'm just going to make something like heels. Yeah. Yes, then I'm just going to fill a different color. Yeah, hill should might be. Yeah, I would like to fill this brown same. So I'll just pick this color picker and pick the color from the ground. Yeah, this brown would be better. And I use the paint can to fill the color in the shape. Yes, so in some of the things like. So I select and select this shape and make it lighter, like change the brightness and saturation, and this one and the same thing. So I use the paint can and fill color, picking the color picker, choose the same color. I'm going to fill the same color to this particular shape, so it's look like this. And then I select the select and select this portion, the green, which is like a ground. Yeah, I just want to elaborate this. Yeah, to fill the entire ground, and I don't want this brown color. I just select this one and then click on the delete to delete the shape. See, this is look like this. Yeah. Okay, then it would be better if this shape go back layer. So I just select the shape. Let's try backwards. Okay, we have to work on this one forward. Yeah, come forward. Yeah, like this. Now we have to reshape this. It's not so good. Yeah, would be better. Okay, so yes, we have a super backdrop. So next we have to make the clone, right? So yeah, first of all, I want to make the animation on this butterfly. So yes, you know that we have to click on this green flag to run our project. So that I go to the events, pick when flag click. I want to make this glide all around the stage. So in the motion category, we have a block glide to random position. So this block take the sprite to random position. So if I fix this under the when flag click, whenever I click the flag, it just glide to random position. Okay. So what if I put this glide inside the forever block? So see, this is, yeah, it's gliding randomly. Yeah, because we put this inside the forever loop, I mean the looping. Yeah, what is loop? So loop is a set of instruction which run again and again or given number of time. So forever is one of the loop. We technically call that as loop. So here we call it as forever block. So it run this set of code what we given here forever. It never end. Yeah. So then, yes, as I said before, it has many costumes. Yeah. So then, if you want to make it animate, like you want to do the changing the costumes, then it seems like it's flying or something. So let's try that. So I want to do that simultaneously gliding, simultaneously changing the costume. So that I pick one more when flag click block and pick again forever block. And in the looks category, we have a block next costume. So this block actually changed the costume based on the list here. It pick next costume based on the list, like sequentially just changing the costume. So I put this next costume here. See how it's look like. So it's just changing the costume too fast, so that I would pause the execution of code. So you know that here we have a wait block. So this one is used to pause something, the execution of code. So I'm going to put wait 0.5 seconds. See how it's look like. So it's look like it's just let's try 0.2. So now it's good. So when I click the flag, it's gliding randomly as well as it's just like animating. So it's just facing your one side towards the right side. So I would like to turn it, and yeah, I'm just going to turn 15 degree. So it might turn like this. Okay, so but it's just turn upside down. I don't want to turn like this, so that I'm just going to set the rotation style left right, then it's able to turn left right. Like if I put 90 degree in the turn block, then it's look like it's turned left side and right side, not all around. So yes, let yeah, we done the animation part. Then we want to make the clone of this sprite. So yeah, um so I want to make the clone of the sprite whenever it touch the edge of the stage. So edge is just like the four sides of the stage. So I want to check whether the sprite is touch the edge of the stage. So that in the control category, we have a block if then block. So technically we call this as conditional block, which means we give some condition in this loop. So if the condition is true, then only the loop will be executed. Otherwise, it won't execute the code inside the loop. So yes, in this case, what is the condition? So the condition is whether the sprite is touching the edge or not. So in the sensing category, we have a block touching. So this block, currently we have only one sprite and the mouse pointer is here and the edge of the stage. So I just choose the edge. So if it touch the edge, it show true. So let's check. So currently the butterfly is not touching the edge, so it's say false. So what if it touch the edge? So the outcome is true because it touching the edge. So I give this block in the condition, give this block as a condition of the if loop and put here forever inside the forever block. Why I am putting here inside the forever block is so we don't know when the sprite is going to touch on this edge, because it's just gliding randomly. It might touch any time, so we have to check that condition forever whether it is touching the edge. So yeah, so that I put this inside the forever block. So we have the condition. So what if it touch the edge? We want to create the clone of the sprite, right? So that I go to the control, and here we have a block, create a clone of myself. So yeah, this block actually take the exact copy of the sprite. See, like this. So exact copy is just like a clone, right? So I put this block inside the if block. So let's check how it's work. So it's gliding randomly. So when it touch the edge, it will create the clone. See? Yeah, it created clones. Yeah. So see, the clones will stay where it has created. Yeah, the clone. I want to make the clone glide as the original sprite. So we can give the task to the clone by using this block when I start as a clone. Yeah, we can give the task to the clone. Under this block, I am going to give the same code what we given to the sprite butterfly. The clone also going to glide randomly forever. So just sorry, glide to random position, glide one sec to random position. So let's take. So now when it when the clone has created, it also gliding randomly. Okay, so next I want to add a few more things on this project. So in the looks category, we have a block change color effect bar. So actually this block is change the sprite's color by the given numerical value. So what is that? So actually each color has different numerical value from 0 to 100. If the sprite uh, with the color of 0, when you increase the color value color, I mean with if you change the color effect by 20 or 50, so let's consider 50, so it go to the color which has the value of 50. It might be a kind of green or blue, so this case, yeah. So this is the way it's just changing the color, like it is brown. If you change it 25 means it's just keep changing the color. So what if you put it inside the if block? So I click the flag. When it touch the edge, it created, yeah, it will create a clone, then change the color effect by 25. Yeah, butterfly touch the edge. Yeah. So see, whenever it touch the edge, the original sprite change the color effect from the current value, it increased to 25. So this way the change color effect by block works. Yeah, see, a lot of sprites, a lot of clones or fill on the entire stage. I want to delete the clone after sometimes. So in the control category, we have a block, delete this clone. So I'm going to pick one more when I start as a clone, as I am not going to add further code here because the forever after the forever we can't add further code. So when I start as a clone, I want to delete this clone, but not straight away. After sometimes, like after 5 seconds, the created clone will be deleted after 5 seconds. Let's check. So yeah. Mhm. The clone after 5 seconds, yeah, it has deleted, right? So this is the way you can upload your own sprite from your system, and you can edit your backdrop, also create a clone of the sprite. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you so much.